Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing you the solution of September Trivia Week 1. And in this video, you have to watch this video till end so that you will be getting all the lab solution of Week 1. So come watch this video till end and like this video and share this video to your friend circle whosoever is participating in the arcade program. So currently we are covering the arcade facilitator program. So just join our communities and let us connect on different social media websites so that we can you can get regular update, and just click on the subscribe button and click on the drop down arrow and select all so that all the important notification about the arcade about the Google Cloud will be reaching to you first on YouTube. And I am happy to tell you that we have completed the 100 subscriber family. So just we have to enlarge this family, and we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1000 subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. And meanwhile, if you have any doubt, let us know in the comment box. Now jumping towards our arcade website. If you go to the arcade website, the link in the description. Now at present you can earn 5 arcade points by just completing the September task. Like if you complete the base camp challenge, then you will be getting 1 arcade point, and there will be 3 arcade points for the levels, and then you can complete this week challenge that comprises only 3 lab and 1 quiz. So just complete and you will be getting 5 arcade point. So I think you like this 5 arcade point idea. So just like this video. Now let us just for joining this game, just copy this access code and click on the start button. For me, I have already have joined, so I will not repeat. So just I will be signing in. Just you have to sign in with your email ID. You can also sign in with the Google. That is quite easy. So we have signed in to this. So first lab I have completed, but by some mistake I have deleted this video. So I will be repeating it. Just click on the start here. Now click on the start the lab. Now all the lab you have to perform in this tab. So now we can start. I understand that I must activate the arcade to be eligible for the arcade point. So you have to subscribe the arcade. But how you can subscribe? Just go to your arcade website, and in here you have to write your email ID and click on the subscribe. Then you have activate your cloud ID or email ID for getting the arcade swag. Click on I understand, click on submit. Now I understand that prizes are not available immediately when I complete a challenge. Prizes become available when the prize counter open. So like the price counter of the January to June 2024 was open at the end of the June month. So we have covered that price counter. So a lot of viewers and subscribers even got that prizes, and some prizes are like me also. I have ordered the prizes, but that doesn't reach to me. Even like past 4 to 5 days, there was I am continuing emailing that, and they generate a personal response. So I hope in within the 1 week I will be getting that prizes. So I will be making the video so that you will be getting motivation by looking those prizes, and you will be completing all the lab. So just click on I understand, click on submit. I understand that I must opt in to receive information about the arcade, including the price counter And if I do not opt in, I confirm that I do not want the prizes. Just click on I understand, click on submit. I understand that the prize counter open at the end of the season, not before. So click on and I understand, click on submit. So the facilitator program and the normal arcade will be continued after the September. Then after at the end of the December, you will be getting the price counter email. So we will be making that video. So just you have to subscribe our channel. I understand that the price counter operates on a first come first service basis, and we supply the last. Click on I understand, click on submit. So I understand that I can only redeem points while the price counter is open, not before and not after. Click on I understand, click on submit. Now I understand the unused arcade point expire after 6 months. So click on I understand, click on submit. I understand that the arcade points are only awarded for the first instance of the earned badges. Click on I understand, click on submit. Like if you complete a skill badge, so once you complete it first time, then you will be getting the arcade points. After repeating that process, you will be do not getting any skill badges. So we will be planning to post the skill badges solution also. So just wait. So I understand that the item cannot be shipped to this. If you are the citizen of these countries, then also you can follow the Google Cloud or Arcade program to get knowledge, but you are not eligible to get swag. So click on I understand, click on submit. Now about when do the price counter email go out? After this session end, but not immediately after the game end. So you have to wait for the December months. Have you completed 5 minutes? So we have not completed, so I will not tick any checkbox. So just wait for 40 minutes, or you can go to our playlist section. Now I just want you to see these skill batches. So these are the least time taking skill batches. One is about 1 or 2 hour of work. Even you require about 30 to 1 hour for completing these skill batches. So just complete these skill batches, and you can also access other playlists. Now moving back to words, so we have completed. Just click on the yes I have and click on submit. So we have answered all the question. Just click on the end lab button and click on the end lab, so that you will be getting green tick at the last. So I hope I hope so. Those who have completed this lab with me, just type completed in the comment box. And if you have any doubt, let us know. Let us know in the comment box. And watch this video till end. It will be comprising all the lab solution for the September trivia week 1 labs. So just watch this video till end. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we will be telling you to how to create a local modulated query and working with the quick start. So you have to watch this video till end, so that you will be getting all the solution of the September week 1 lab. So just click on the start lab button to get started. Now copy the email ID and open the locker in an incognito window. Now paste the email ID here. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the password, paste the password and click on the login button. Now it will take 10 to 15 seconds for local window to be open. So now first of all you have to click on the explore button in the sidebar. Now you have to click on under the e-commerce, click on the order items. Now you have to just repeat all the steps what I am doing. Then you will be getting all the green tick at the starting of this lab. Now here you have to go to the user and click on the state to select it. Now in the right bar tab you can see the output also. Now go to the product and click on the department. Now you have to again go to the user and select count. So now again go to the order items and in the measure you have to click on the order count. Now again go scroll it down and come to the user tab, and under the user you have to filter the country. For that go to the country tab and click on the filter by field. Now click on the placeholder. It will be showing two type of output. Just select USA, or after that you have to in the data pane you have to like go to the count and just click on the count tab. So it is showing descending order, so you have to descend the count. Now after that you have to click on the run button at the top. Now it will take time. Now this type of output you should get. Now you can go back to the lab instruction, come to the task 1 and scroll it down and click on check my progress. You will be getting green tick here. So it might take 30 to 40 seconds for upgrading this, updating the lab. So let us perform the further step. We will be coming back to this, and even they have listed that if you have already done, you have to wait for few moment. Just click on check my progress until you get the green tick. So let me do the other step. We will be coming back to this lab. Now again go back to the local ML. Now in the explore page, you have to click on setting. Now click on the get log ML. Now click on the aggregate table. Now it will take time about around 1 minute for creating the aggregate table code. So just wait. Meanwhile, you can come back to the lab instruction. Click on check my progress. So we get the green tick here. So those who get the green tick here, just like this video. And even in the task 3, you might do not get the green tick. So you have to wait until you get the green tick in the task 3. So like if you click on here after completing the lab, you will not immediately getting the green tick. So you have to wait for it. Now we will be doing the save the modulated query in locml. For that, go back to the locml. So just before copying this, we have to open the locml. So just do not close this get locml. So just copy the link in the search bar and paste it here and press enter. Now we have to open the locml in the development folder. For that, click on the main menu and at the bottom toggle to the development mode. Again, click on the main menu and you can see the development mode is open. Now you have to click on the back arrow ahead of the Explore. Click on the Develop button. For the project, select Qwiklabs e-commerce. Now under the models, click on the training e-commerce. Now you have to paste this. Now you can go back to the Explore tab. Now copy this code. Now again go to the training e-commerce model. Now you have to paste this coder after the order items and before the event. So just I will pasting it in the 43 line. So just paste this code. Now you have to remove this aggregate table line. Now remove this extra bracket. Now we will be clearing this error. First of all, you have to remove this materialization. Now we have to just name the query. For that you can go back to the lab instructions and here. Now from here you have to copy this query parameter. Start from here and again go back to the locml window. Ahead of this query, paste this name and you can see there is no error. Now just you have to click on the save changes. Now click on the validate locml. Now you have to comment changes and push. Now you can do any message. For me, I am writing locml. You can also type your name. Just click on commit. Now click on the develop, deploy to the production. So our second task is completed. Now we just have to complete the task 3. For that you have to copy this link and paste it in the search bar and press enter. Now click on the main menu. Now click on the back arrow and click on the develop. Now click on the order items. Now in the quick start, click on the start from here. Now under the data pane, you have to click on the gear icon, user count and select hide from the visualization. So under the data pane, you have to click on the user count and click on hide from the visualization. Now you have to expand the visualization tab and select column chart. So column chart, you can see this is second option. Click on it. Now this type of output you will be seeing. Now after that you have to plot this under the plot. Now click on the gear icon in the visualization pane. So just click on the side gear icon and click on the stacked, and this task is done. Now you have to save this as a locml. For that you can click on the gear icon at a side of the run bar. So go to the save and click on as a log. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now you have to copy these order items. Now go back to the locml window, paste it in the title. Now click on the shared. Now click on the save button. So you can see order item count per state is successfully created in this shared bar. So for viewing that folder, just copy this and open a new tab and paste this. Now go to the main menu and click on the back arrow ahead of the Explore. Click on the folders. Click on the shared folders. Now you can see there is a folder for order items. Order items count per state. Just click on it and you can look the report and visualize according to that. Now you can go back to the lab instruction. Scroll it down, click on check my progress. Again click on check my progress. So like in the task 1, we doesn't get the green tick immediately after completing that step. So here you will also do not get the green tick until for few minutes. So you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And in that waiting process, you have to click on check my progress until you get the green tick here. So those who get the green tick here, just like this video. And now if you have any doubt, you can connect you can join our WhatsApp community. The link is given in the description. So just join our community. So watch this video till end so that you will be getting all the September week trivia week 1 solutions. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will be telling the solution of local function and operators. So just watch this video till end so that you will be getting all the September week trivia week 1 solutions. And if you have any doubt, let us know in the comment box. Now click on this Start Lab button. Copy the email ID, username and open the locker in an incognito window. Now paste it in the email ID. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the password, paste the password here and click on the login button. Now this type of output you will be getting. Now in the main menu, you have to click on the Explore button. Now under the FAA, you have to click on the flights. So locml labs are quite time taking. Now under the flight, you have to click on the measure count. Click on it. Now under the flight dimension, you have to click on depart date. Click on it. And now click on the week. Now within the depart date dimension, you have to click on the filter button next to the date dimension. So click on the filter. Now you have in the filter, you have to type is in the year 203. So is in the year and type 203 003. Now you have to click on the run button. Now this type of output you will be getting. Now under the flight and then dimension, you have to go under the pivot data. Now you have to just double click on again. Now under the dimension, now here there is an option for a distant tiered. Just click on the pivot data. Once you have done, just click on the run button again. So this type of output you will be getting. Now you can expand the visualization tab and you can see the graph. There is a line graph. If you see another like if you see the table or column, you have to change to the line. For me it is by default the line. Now you have to click on the setting gear icon. Now click on edit. Then for the plot. Now for the now scroll it down. Now for the legend. Now for the legend align, you have to click on the left. Now you can click on the gear icon to back. Now you have to click on the setting gear icon next to the run button. So click on it. Now you have to save this as a log. Now for the title of the log, you can go back to the lab instruction, come to the task 1. From the task 1, you can come to the last. Now copy this flight count by the departure week and distant tier. Just copy this and go back to the title and paste it. After this, just click on the save button. So you can see there is a pop-out for that the required query has been created. Now you can go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. And you will be get the green tick here. So those who get the green tick here, just like this video. Now for the further step, you have to go back to the locml window. Now you have to again in the flight. Now you have to double click on the selected tab. So remove this week, remove this distant tier, remove this count. So you can see you should get 0 output. Now under the flight and under the dimension, you have to click, you have to select depart date as month. So just select month. After that, so before selecting month, we have to select percentage cancelled under the measures. So percentage cancelled. Now you can select the month. Now within the depart date dimension group, you have to click on the filter button next of the date. So for the date, click on the filter. Now you have to click on the like option button for the selecting like is in the year. Now for the year you have to type 2000. Now under the aircraft origin, now you can scroll it up, and under the aircraft origin and under the dimensions, you have to select the state. After selecting this, just click on the run button. Now this type of output you will be getting. Now we have to remove the percentage cancelled, or we have to click on the percentage cancelled column. So here then then you have to reorder the percentage form from high to low. Just click on it, and after that you have to hover over the depart month column. After that you have to click on the gear icon that appear at the right side, and just click on it and click on the remove button. So once the column is removed from the data section, you have to click the run button again. Now after that you will be getting this type of output. Just go to the gear icon ahead of the run and save this as a log. Now for the title, go back to the lab instruction, come to the task second, and copy this percentage of flight cancelled by the state in 2000. Go to the locml window, paste it and click on the save button. Now you can go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. So you will get green tick here. Now we have to do the task 3. For that you can go back to the lab instructions, lab to locml window. Now you have to deselect all the selected tabs, like double click on the selected tabs like months. Now percentage we have selected from here. Now you have to also remove the filters. For that, just click on the filter icon ahead of the date. Now you under the flight detail, under the flight detail you have to like so we have to select the cancel count. So that is the last option for the flight detail. Now for the measure you have to select cancelled count, and you can see there the output in the right tab. Now under the flight you have to select count. So under the flight tab you have to select count, and yeah, then you can see that now under the aircraft origin you have to select state for the dimension. Now under the flight within the depart date dimension, now you have to again click for the filters. So under the flight depart date filter, and just select is in the year of. For the year you have to type 2004. Now just click on the run button. Now this type of output you will be getting. Now you have to create a custom field. For that, click on the plus add button. Now we have to create the table calculation. For that, next to the custom field, we have to select plus add for the table calculation. Now here there is a custom field, click on the plus button and now select the table calculation. Now we have to rename our table. So we can rename the table by anything. Let it to be by default. Now for the expression. Now for the expression you can go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down and just you have to copy this code. That is the expression field at the following table. So paste it here. So this type of output you should get. Now for the default formatting, you have to change the percentage 0. Now select percentage. Now 0. Now you have to rename the table calculation to the percentage cancel. For that you can go back to the lab instruction. Copy this percentage cancelled and again paste it here in the name field. Now after that, after completing this step, you have to click on the save button. Now you can hover over the cancel column and you can click on the gear icon and so here you can click on the gear icon and click on hide from the visualization. Now repeat the same process to hide the count column. For the visualization, just click on the gear icon and click on hide from the visualization. After that, now you have to click on the arrow next to the visualization. Just click on expand the visualization tab and you can see this type of output. Now you have to change this visualization tab to map. Just click on the map button. Now click on the setting gear icon next to the run button and we have to save this as a log. Now for the title you can go back to the lab instruction, copy this percentage of the flight, cancel by the aircraft origin and paste it in the title and just click on the save button. Now you can go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress So you will be getting green tick here. So those who are getting the green tick here, just like this video. Now we will be doing task 4. For that, you can go back to the lab instructions, and after that, first of all, you have to remove all the settings. For that, just click this cross button and click on the gear icon ahead and click on the remove button. Again, gear icon, remove, gear icon, remove, and again gear icon, remove. So your data, so still something is, so you have to click on the delete for the percentage cancelled. So you should have the clean tab for next process. Now under the flight measure, you have to click for the total distance. Under the flight, you have to select total distance, that is second last option. Now under the carrier, you have to click on the name for dimension. So under carrier, for dimension, you have to click on the name, and in the date bar, click on the total. Now in the date bar, that is, so we have to search for the date bar. So in the data bar, you have to click on the total and just click on the total, and after that, after clicking on the totals, just tick the checkbox, and after that you have to click on the run button. Now again we have to add a table. For that, ahead of the custom field, click on the plus button and click on the table calculation. Now for the expression, you can go back to the lab instruction, copy this code, paste it in the expression. After that, for the formatting, you have to select percent and decimal to be 0. Now just click on the save button. Now just hover on the total distance. Now select the gear icon and click on the hide from visualization. Now again click on the run button. Now expand the visualization tab and we have to select visualization to bar. So this type of output you will be getting. Now again click on the setting button at the top, save, then as a lock. Now for the title, you can go back to the lab instruction and copy this percentage of the total distance flown by the carrier and paste it in the title. Now click on the save button. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will be getting green tick here. Now we have to do the last step, that is using the function. For that, you can go back to the local window and click on the remove button. Again click on gear icon, then select remove button. gear icon, remove, and just remove this. Click on the delete button. Now under the flight measure, click on the count. Now for the dimension, you can also remove the filter that is by default removed. Now we have select the count, then we have to select the under the flight dimension, then distance steered. Now under the flight within the depart date, click on the pivot date and button next to the year dimension. So depart date, select the pivot and you can see the output. Now you have to click on the filter button next to the date. So just filter. Now after clicking on the filter button, you have to click on the option for selecting. Now is on or after. Now you have to select is on or after. Now for the for the date you have to select first of for the year. You can you can also type. You have to write 01 01, then forward slash again 01, then forward slash again 2000. That is 2000. After that you can leave the default. Now just you have to click on the run button. Now this type of output you will be getting. Now in the custom field, click on the add button. Now click on the table calculation. Now for making the use of pivot offset, you have to go back to the lab instruction, scroll it down and copy this expression. Again go back to the locml window, paste it in the expression tab. Now for the format you have to select %, then decimal to be 0. Now just click on the save button. Now you have to hover over the count. Like you have to first of all just hover over the count and click on the gear icon. After that, click on the hide from visualization. So we have to do this is for all. So after that, you can expand the visualization tab, and you have to change the chart to the table. So this type of output you will be getting. Now you have to click on edit. Now just click on the edit, or before that you have to click on the gear icon, then then in the edit for the formatting, then go to the formatting. After you have to enable the conditional formatting. Now you have to accept the default option. Now you have to click on the add a rule. So we have to click on the plus icon ahead of the rules. Now you can click on the gear icon for the visualization to the close the setting. So just click on the gear icon. After that you have to click on the setting gear icon, then click on the save and select the as a log. Now for the title you can go back to the lab instruction. Just copy this yo percent and paste it here and click on the save button. Go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. So congratulations, you have completed this lab. So those who have completed this lab with me, so just type completed. If you have any doubt, let us know in the comment box and join us through different social media handles. So just I will be ending this lab. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will be providing the solution of prepare data for the local dashboard and report challenge lab. So watch this video till end so that you will be getting the solution of September trivia week 1 labs. So let's get started. Click on the start lab button. And do not forget to subscribe our channel for getting regular update from the arcade. Now you have to copy the username, open the local in an incognito window. Now paste the email here. Now for the password you can go back to the lab instruction, copy the password and paste it here and click on the login button. Now you have to select explore. Then under FAA you have to select airports. Now it will take time for loading all the content, so wait for it. Now under the airport you have to select first city and then you have to select for state, then you have to select for the measure count. Now under the dimension you have to click on the filter button next to the facility type. So next to the facility type click on filter. Now under the filter you have to click on the placeholder and click on the heliport, and now after that you have to on the data tab change the row limit to your limit. Now under the data tab you have to change the row limit. So for that you can go back to the lab instruction, come to the task 1. So our limit is 10 state, so we will be removing 500 and typing 10. After that you have to click on the run button. So this type of output you will be getting. Now hover over the count and you have to click on the, if this is by default in descending order. If you doesn't have the count in the descending order, you have to click on the count, then it will be shifted to the descending order. Now you have to expand the visualization tab and click on the table. So this type of output you will be getting. After that you can again click on the run button. After that you click on the gear icon, then save as a log. Now for the title you can go back to the lab instruction, and for the title should be here like top 10 cities with the most heliports. Copy this title, paste it here and just click on the save button. So we have created the first log. After that we have to again remove all these inputs by just clicking on the gear icon, then remove, again gear icon, then remove, gear icon, then remove. Now we have to also clear the filter. For that just close this. Now in the airport we have to first of select the state, then for the measure we have to select count. After that, after selecting this, we have to in the dimension we have to go to the facility type and click on the pivot data. After that, for the data tab, again go back to the lab instruction. So our the row limit is again 10. So we will be we're writing the row limit 10. After that, you have to click on the airport facilities type, and we have to like in the facility type you have to click on, and it descending, then again click. So we have to click until it change to the descending order. Now you can go to the visualization tab and change the tab into table. This type of output will be showing. Now click on the run button. Now we have to save this. For saving, click on the gear setting, save as a log. For the title, you can go back to the lab instructions. Just copy this facility type breakdown and go back to the locml window, paste it and click on the save button. So we have created until now two tabs, two logs. Now we will be doing log 3. For that, first of all we have to clear all our output. So just click on remove, again remove. So again select it and remove. So this type you should have the clear output. Now we have to in the airport, now under the flights, like now for the FFA, then flights. Now go to the navigation menu, and for the FFA now we have to select the flights. Now click on the aircraft origin. Now we have to select the state for dimension. Then for the flight detail we have to flight detail. for the measure we have to select cancelled count. Now under the flight we have to select the count measure. Now under the flight then measure we have to click on the filter ahead of the count. Now for the filter value we have to type the flight count that is greater than 10,000. Or you can go back to the lab instruction. So we are creating. So the flight count is greater than 10,000. So after that just click on the run button. So we doesn't get any result. So for that just we have to add a custom field. Click on the add button, table calculation. Now for the expression you can go back to the lab instruction. Just copy this expression, go back to the paste it here, and for the default setting you have to select the percent, and for the decimal you have to select 3. Now you can click on the save. Nahin. Now for the click on the, after clicking on this, now click on the save button. Now click on the percent cancel to the descending order. So percent cancelled. So still we have not selected the percent cancelled. So we will be selecting the percent cancelled. So that is, select it and just double click so that it shift to the descending order. After that you have to hover over the flight count and click on the gear. Now click on the hide from the visualization, hover over the cancel count, then after it again click on the gear icon and click on the remove button. Now change, go to the visualization tab and select table. Now click on run button. So it is showing no result. So do not worry, just save this file. Click on the gear icon and save as a log. Now for the title you can go back to the lab instruction. Now copy this title, paste it here in the title and click on the save button. Now first of all we have to remove all the entries that we have made. So remove, for the count gear icon remove, gear icon remove, and calculation remove. Remove this filter also. Now remove this new calculation from here, click delete. Now for the flight, we have to select the like origin and destination. After that in the custom we have to click on add, then custom measure. So in the field to the measure, for the you can go back to the lab instruction. Now you can copy this average distance miles for the name of the custom. For the name you can type this. After that in the field we have to select or you can type here. So no option. So in field to measure, type or so just type average. So just select the average distance. Now for the name, you can name this as the coding. Just click on the save button. Now you have to hover over the average distance. After that, now you have to click on the gear icon and select the filter. Now this type of output you will be getting. Now you have to type 0 here, that you can see. So all the average distance greater than 0 we have to show. Now click on the average distance mile to sort in the ascending order. So click, so it is descending. Again click, so it is changed to descending order, ascending order. Now on the data tab, change the row limit to your limit. For that, so the row limit is 7. Again go to the locml window and type 7 here. So we have changed the. Now for the visualization, we have to click on stand. Just click on the run button. So this type of output you should getting. Now again, aside of the run, click on the gear icon, save as a log. Now for the title, you can go back to the lab instruction. Just copy this top 7 airport with this smallest average distance, paste it here. Now just click on the save button. So click on the save button and we have done our task 1. So just click on check my progress. So please create to determine the airport and state having the highest percentage of the flight cancellation. So we have to create the highest percentage flight cancellation. For that, so we have to create this like this. So we have to create this log 3. For that, we will be repeating all this step again. For that, you can go back to the like here. Now we have to first of all remove this. Click on remove. Again remove. Now remove the filter. Delete the average measure. So you should have clear output here like this. Now under the aircraft origin, click city. City. Then under the aircraft, you have to select the state. Then under the flight details, you have to you have to select cancel count. Now under the flight, you have to select the count. After that, aside for the filter, in the count, click on the filter by field. Now for the value, so value should be greater than. So in past we have put the value is equal to, that is why we are not getting the required output. So now this time we are corrected it out. Now we can move ahead. Now just click on the run button and you will be getting the output. So we get the output. Now you can add a you can add a table calculation. Now for the expression, you can go back to the lab instruction, copy this expression, paste it here, and for the formatting, click percent. Now for the decimal, click 3 and click on the save button. Now you have to hover over the percentage cancelled, like so we have to percentage cancelled. So we have to, I think we have to select the percentage cancelled also. So we have to select the percentage cancelled. That can be selected only by like percentage cancel, click on it, and after this again click on the run button. So this type of output you should get. Now we have to change it to descending order. So we have changed it out. Now you have to hover over the flight count, click on the gear icon and select select hide from the visualization. Now you have to hover over the cancel count column, then click on the cancel count column and then click on the gear icon. Click on gear icon, then hide from the visualization. Now for the visualization type, you have to select the just expand the visualization. So this type of output you will be getting. Just click on the run button. After that we will be saving this. Go to the settings, save as a log. For the name, you can go back to the lab instruction, copy this name, and might be there error because we have created log with the same name. Just click on save. Are you sure to want to replace? So just click on OK, so that we will be replacing it out. So we have done. Now we can go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. So we have to create so we have created that. So it might take few minutes for upgrading, so just ignore it. And I will be providing you the link of the Google Drive from where you can assess all the instruction. Now we have to merge the result. For that, you can go back to the lab instruction. Now in the flight, first of all, we have to remove all these. Just remove all the selected tab. Click on remove. Select gear, then click remove. Select gear, then remove. Select gear and remove. Select gear and remove. Again select gear and remove. Now we have to delete the new calculation. So just delete. Now in the now we have, first of all, in the aircraft origin, we have to select the city, then state. After that, we have to select code. Now go to the flight. In the measure, we have to select the count and remove this filter for now. After selecting the count, we have to For the row limit, you can go back to the lab instruction, and you can see that the row limit is 10 cities, so we will be typing 10 instead of 7. Now just click on the run button. So this type of output you will be getting. Now in the top right, where we were. So in the top right, you have to click explore for the primary query. So we have to search for the queries. So first of all, merge the result. Now in the top right pane of the explore. So top right. So for your primary query, click on the setting. Click on the setting. Then click on the merge result. Now this will open the choose and explore window. So for that you have to choose the explore window. After that you have to click on the airport. Now in the all field pane, click city, cities, code, then state. After that, in the airport, for the dimension, click on the filter button. For the control tower, filter. Then you have to set the filter to be yes, that is by default selected. After that, we have to again add a filter, that is major. Again add filter, and we have to, so it's by default is yes, and we have to select yes. Now we have to select the joint use. Click on the filter, and its option should be yes, that is by default selected. Just click on the run button. Now after that, now you have to click the run. Now we have to click on the visualization tab, and for we have to select the bar. Now again click on the run button. Now at the top you can see explore from here. Just click on it. After that, so you can see this type of output. Now you can go back to the explore flight. Now aside of the there is a gear icon. Click on the gear icon and click on the save to the dashboard. So we have to create a new dashboard. For the title, you can go back to the lab instruction, and for the title it is just copy this title and paste it here. Now click on the new dashboard is selected. Now for the dashboard name you have to now after that now click on the save button. So click on the view dashboard. So this type of output you will be getting. Now for the title, click on text. Now for the title you can see that now for the title you can type you have to copy this again and paste it here and click on the save button. So you have to do whatever I am doing. Now you have to, so just click on the stay login for 30 minutes more. Now you can click on the save button again. So this is saved. Now you can go back. Now here you can see that there is a, now we have to in the local navigation menu click on the folder. Now first of all click on the back arrow. Now click on the folder. Now click on the locml dashboard. So we have created this. Just click on the business pulse. So this type of output you will be getting. Now you can go back to the and click on the check my progress. So it might took it might took about 5 minutes for updating all the required content. So just click on check my progress if you find any difficulty. Moreover, I am providing the link of the Google Drive from where you can access all the steps for this lab. So just do whatever I am doing, and if you have any doubt, connect us with our different social media handle like Instagram, WhatsApp and other. Now this is all about this. Just click on the add lab button. So ahead we will be giving the quiz solution. So stay and watch this video till end. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Now we are doing the Arcade Trivia September 2024 week 1 quiz. So I hope you have done all the 3 labs of the Arcade September Trivia week 1. And if you have doesn't done that labs, so just go back and do all the 3 labs. And we are posting all the solution of the Arcade Trivia September 2024 week 1 in one video. So just you have to watch this one video and you will be getting 1 arcade point. So let's get started. Click on the start lab button. Now you can the option might vary, the order of option might vary, or the question order might vary. You have to select according to your whatever the window is showing. So the first answer, what allow the locml developer to create the modeled query that enable all the local business user to quickly get started and effortlessly explore data within the platform. So its correct answer is local and click on submit. The second is where are the modeled query created in the locml. So its correct answer is query parameter. Click on submit. Now the third, what calculation is local facilitate the creation of the ad hoc matrix. So its correct answer is table calculation and click on submit. Now what method are commonly utilized for the performing calculation in the table calculation, custom field, custom filter. So its correct answer is local expression. Click on submit. Now, which tool in the local enhance the editing, viewing, and data visualization experience, allowing you to uncover the insight more quickly? So its correct answer is Explorer. Click on submit. Now the last question is, what are the some advanced method for filtering queries in local? So its correct answer is filter expression. Click on submit. So congratulations, you have completed this lab. So those who have completed this lab with me, so just type completed in the comment box and I will be liking your comment. So we have to wait for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, you can go to our YouTube channel and click on the subscribe button and click on the drop down arrow to select all, so that all the important notification will be reaching to you first from the arcade. And you can also go to the playlist section, and I am happy to tell you that we have completed the 100 subscriber family, and we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1000 subscriber in 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. Like the video and share the video to your friend circle whosoever is participating in the arcade program. And we have covered the arcade trivia September 2024 week 1 in one video. So just you have to watch the one video and you will be getting one arcade point. So talking about the playlist section, so these are the two least time taking skill batches that you can go and get the two arcade points. And we are covering the arcade facilitator program under the playlist like this: Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program 2024. And you can also search out all the other playlists like best certification courses or jobs and internship, fellowship and scholarship, and other playlists. You can also check it out. Now moving back to what is the art quiz. So we can end this lab. So just click on the end lab button and click on the end lab, click on the cancel. So we have completed the arcade trivia September 2024 in week 1 in one video. So just you have to watch this one video and you will be getting one arcade point. So like this video and share this video to your friend circle whosoever is participating in the arcade program. And remembering that we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1000 subscribers in 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. And so this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a good day.